Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha Linden. You're watching Fresh Linen Crochet, and I am so excited to be able to film this video today because I'm filming this video because I made my first sale on my Etsy crochet shop. And that's so cool. I've had the listing up, but I knew it wasn't a good enough listing. I went in and refreshed it and added kind of changed up how I felt I needed to change it up, and then I end up finally a few days, probably like 2 days after doing that, making a sale, so that's super cool. And then I was telling my sweet friend I made my first sale. I'm so excited because I always update her on everything. We update each other and like hold each other accountable on like our YouTube channels and stuff like that. And so I told her about my Etsy shop, and then she ended up buying a few things, which is super cool. So I need to get those orders done today. I have my supplies. I know what they are. I need to make 5 scrunchies. I'm going to check my bag really quick because actually we already have one made, white one, or in the color cream. I think I just need to make the pink ones because I think those are the ones that I don't already have made. Yes, so I have like this bag of like all scrunchies because obviously I've made them all already to take pictures, but then sometimes what I'll do is like just take this bag with me to give out to like I did that when we had like last day of Bible study. I brought like the scrunchies and I was like, take one, like that kind of a thing, which is like, again, a really cool thing to do. This week is Teacher Appreciation Week, so I'm trying to figure out, I think I want to do scrunchies for the teachers and kind of build a cute little like basket around that, maybe like a lip gloss or something. I got 4 teachers to do a box for, so probably like a gift card and yeah, a cute scrunchie and a little box. And so anyways, that's besides the point. What we're doing today is I need to crochet 4 more scrunchies, and let's see here, that will be 2 in the color soft pink, and it will be 2 in the color frosted mauve. And then after that we will be packing these orders and getting them sent out and everything. So that's it. Let's get to making these scrunchies. First light pink is done. Just need to weave in the end here. Number 2 is done. Just gonna weave in the ends. I feel like that one went way faster, but this is all that I have left of the yarn, so I'm definitely gonna have to go back and buy some more in this color, and I'm probably gonna have to do the same thing for this one in a minute as well, once I finish making these 2. So I think I get about 3 scrunchies for each skein of this yarn. Okay, I finished the last one, and then I actually did have one at the bottom of my bag. I just thought it was the other color, but looking at them, it's actually the same color. So let's get these packed up. Alright, so when I got the orders in, I was like, I need some nice pretty packaging. So I went online. So I went on Amazon and ordered these. super cute packages. My husband's like, you can use mine because he has like a business too, stickers and pins that he like sends out, but his are all the bubble kind. I don't need the bubble kind for the scrunchies or anything. And then the other thing too is they're just like plain black. They're boring. I was like, no, I need something cute. And I would like to write my own thank you.